Happy Saturday, everybody. Miss Jane 1973, or Jan, my real name. Well, I'm going to do a unboxing video. Try to attempt to do one. This just arrived about 20 minutes ago. Got wet. The box did. It's a very rainy Saturday up here in southwestern Ontario in Guelph. I'm not complaining though. We need the rain. At least there's no snow. I can't stand snow when I'm Canadian, but go figure. But I love rain, and I don't complain when we get it. A day I actually don't have to go out because with it being Saturday, but this arrived. So I'm going to do an unboxing video. Now I may have to put the phone down to open the box. I'm going to try to attempt, because sometimes when I do unboxing videos, they don't always work. The camera shuts off. I'm getting better. So I will open this. I'll try my best. This is a relatively easy package to open. I know what's inside of it. And it should be a very easy unboxing. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Person packed this up pretty good. Really taped it up pretty good. That's good though. You don't want it getting damaged during shipment. And this didn't take long to get here. It just came from Connecticut, which isn't terribly far from where I live anyway. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, let me just try to see if I can do this one-handed. No, maybe not. Okay. You can hear me unboxing it, opening it. Okay, it's getting there. Okay. Voila! That's what was in the box, guys. So it's pretty cool. And yes, you guessed it, it's a fire alarm. So here's the side of it. It's called the Scotsguard Bell. It's a bell. You can hear it dinging inside. And this is a used unit. It actually belonged to the seller's great-grandfather in his first collection. So very cool. It went from one collection to another. Now, I don't know if it has instructions. There's the inside. This is it. Very simple concept alarm. It is broken right here. As you can see here. Oh, wrong way. I'll focus that so you can see it. Anything you want to read, just pause. I can always go over it again. There's the back of it. And here's the box. Very cool. Still in pretty good shape. This is from the 1950s, late 50s, early 60s. I love that cool box. And I think there's instructions. Yep, right here. So hold on, I'll put my phone down. The instruction manual is worn a bit. Let me open it up. This is so cool. Okay, not a very big one. It's just there. There you go. There it is. So it's just basically, it's a hanging alarm. You hang it up. It requires no batteries or anything. It's a bell. This is very cool. And there's a picture of it. So it is ripped, but it's still got the instruction manual, which is pretty good considering this was in the person's collection. And this came from Connecticut. This is where this is made, by the way. Yep. So, there you go. And there's the back description of where to hang it. I think that is so cool. That is really, really cool. So, I'm going to test this. This should be a very easy video, because this is how you test it. Oh, Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Oh, there. So you just push down on this thing here, on the back. Okay. All right. Okay, hold on. Again, it's all one-handed, guys, so. There. And the bell moves around. It's not very loud. So I'll do it again. Okay, hold on. It can be hard to do one-handed, guys. There. Okay, hold on. And you wind it back up, it looks like. So, yeah. It's because I had to wind it back up. Sorry about that. Okay, let's try this again. There. So you touch it there. You can see it here. And then when I do this, you can see the bell moving. That is really cool. Really, really, really cool. So when it winds down, you just wind it back up. As I said, it's not very loud. Reminds me of one of those school bells that the teacher had on the desk, and they went ding, ding, ding. But that's what that reminds me of. So that's pretty cool. Again, it's a Scotsguard Incorporated fire alarm from Waterbury, Connecticut. And again, there's the back. Has very little scratches on it. Again, it's broken here. And it belonged to the seller's great uncle, I do believe, in his first collection in the 50s and 60s. And the seller was moving, and they found this, and I told them I'm a collector, and I got it. So I'm glad it went to someone who's going to take care of it. Again, I'm going to wind it up one more time. This is really, really cool. There. Really, really cool piece of fire technology from the late 50s. And again, there's a description on the back of where to hang it. I love those early graphics. That's really, really cool. And I like the box. It's still in pretty good shape in there. And I said it's still got instructions, so that's a bonus. Whenever it's got instructions in a box for being that age, that's a really cool piece. So, anyways, take care, and I'm glad the unboxing video worked, and it didn't shut off, hopefully. But anyways, take care. Happy Saturday, everybody, and I'll get this video posted, and let me know what you think. Take care. Bye now.